Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech World. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Snapchat application on your iPhone. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming update from us. In order to download Snapchat application for your iPhone, first, make sure that you're connected to a Wi-Fi or cellular data. Once you are, tap Open App Store in the search bar that appears at the top of the screen. Type in Snapchat and search. You'll be able to find the application displayed at the very top of the screen. This one's the app that we're looking for. Tap on the download button in order to get the download process started for your application on an iPhone. Snapchat is an American multimedia instant messaging software and service. One of the most prominent quality of Snapchat is that photographs and messages are typically only viewable for a brief period of time before they are lost to their recipients. Wait until the app gets downloaded on your smartphone. It might take a while depending upon your internet speed. So always be sure to be connected to a strong and stable internet whenever you're downloading an application. Once the application is downloaded, you will be able to see an open button popping up. Tap it on to launch the app open. That is how you can easily download Snapchat application for your iPhone. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.